go, boys. Oh, dear Lord. Trucking today. Oh. Let's fire this sucker up. What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're trucking. Let's go. Guys, we are living the big truck life today. Basically, if you watch my day in the life of an Oilfield hotshot, you will see that you're practically on call 24/7. Now, in a big truck, it works the exact same way. I went with my brother-in-law today. This is his truck. He normally drives this truck. And I went with him earlier. We dropped off a load in the morning. And then we literally sat around and did nothing until they called us again to go pick up another load. So we'll shoot you earlier. We going hunting?
Wish.
Sketchier lease road coming up the side of a mountain. You know, we got a cliff over there. Coming up on this ridge here, super nice in the morning. Look at that. That's an Oshkosh. Those are sick. That's what we need right there. Coming down onto the pad. Everyone's just getting out here at the crack of dawn, getting set up. All right, so you picked this load up yesterday, last night, and we're delivering it today.
Yeah.
Loaded hotshot coming in.
There'll be a lot of traffic.
Where are you? What are you gonna go do now? Go see where they want to unload us?
Yeah. See where I can unstrap it. Take my chains off. It's like 16 degrees temperature with no wind chill. With the wind chill, it's probably like 10.
The guys that we're dealing with are right there, so they're kind of getting gathered and set up. And then hopefully they can hop on a forklift and come get us unloaded, which would be very, very nice, so we can get out of here before we get trapped. They got more big rigs and frack stuff. They're gonna, basically what they're doing right now is they're setting up for the frack. So they're gonna set the well stacks where they need to go on the actual wellhead over there, and then frack will move in and obviously do what they gotta do. And I don't know if you guys have ever seen a frack setup. It is a complete and total mess, basically, of trucks, equipment, trailers, piping, tubings, and all kinds of stuff that we don't want to deal with today. So we need to get unloaded and get the heck out of here. You getting them off?
Said yeah. Said I can.
Politely is the answer. All right, guys, we are good to go. We finally got unloaded. We're getting the heck out of here. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Took a little bit, but what time is it? A little after 10?
I appreciate you.
See that Oshkosh right there? I think it's sick.
I have an FD18 outbound call back, please.
So basically, after we dropped off that load, it was still early in the morning. We just hung out. We didn't do anything. We waited for another load, and we got our second call. What? Like 4 o'clock? Yeah, like 4 o'clock. We got our second call, and this is going to be a load tonight and deliver in the morning. I'm just going to go out today, so I give you guys basically a full day of what it's like to truck in the gas field. It's the exact same thing as doing the hot shot, which is what I do. So you're on call 24/7, and instead of driving a pickup, you drive a 18-wheeler. So right now we are headed to a pad in St. Clairsville, Ohio. It is about an hour and a half from the house. So we are very lucky to live in the area of what is going on, all this work, because if we didn't live so close, we would have to stay at like a truck stop or stay in the truck anywhere to make sure we're close enough to be able to go get the second run in. So it works out very nice that we live close. We can just shoot home, hang out at the house instead of hanging out at a truck stop. All right, guys, we've been on a dirt road here for a little while. That's where we're going over there, drilling rig. I think my turn's coming up right here. Oh, yeah, I know where we're at. So we'll come down into a valley right here, and we're gonna hang this left.
Maybe I can see you better. I can see you now.
Oh, you can see me now?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Made it. We're good. Banging on a little tree. You do not want to meet another. You don't want to meet another big rig coming in this lease rig. ID check in here, son. Yeah. ID and plate check in here. But that's the rig, man. We made it. We made her here.
Once we see the tools and walk around the bed here.
Recording still?
Yeah.
Look, they're loading drill pipe right now, or they're pulling something out. All right, they were good. So now we wait. Whew. All right, guys, we just got strapped up. We are good to hit the road. It's a really easy little load. I don't know if you can see it through there. It's pretty dirty. Cool. Let's see if we can start this one. All right, so I guess we're waiting on some more paperwork. It's a tool transfer sheet for the drilling tools. Got a guy bringing a diesel tank by, or a fuel tank or something by. But I drove out, now he's gonna drive back, and that's pretty much it. What else? It's cold. It's cold? It's cold. Dude, it did get really cold. It wasn't that cold whenever we started, and then as we were standing around kind of hanging out, definitely temperature dropped. It is 7:14, so we pulled in here, what, 6 o'clock?
Yep.
So it took us an hour and 14 minutes, well, basically an hour and 10 minutes to load and get strapped in, which probably 45 minutes of that we were kind of just standing there waiting for the operator who was up in the... I'm gonna make myself some raspberry green tea.
It's in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Smells good. You know, sometimes you just don't want water. Water is just not going to cut it. Today's one of them days. He's got all kind of food in here. Reese's, M&M's, crackers, chips, any kind of snack you can imagine. He got it in here.
You get stuck out here for hours. You got to.
Good. Sometimes whenever you come on the drilling rigs, a little bit of grease, I don't even know what it is. What is it? Drilling grease, oil, something, kind of gets this through the air, gets on your windshield, and then looks like crap. You ready to bang some gears?
Bang them all, baby, not some.
All right, let's see it.
Off the fiber pad.
We are out of here. They came in and took the guard shack. How are we going to sign out?
See ya.
That doesn't even make any sense. Oh, rough road getting out of there. Not even. Alright guys, we made it back to home base. There is the truck. I'm getting ready to get the heck out of here. Super nice, easy run. He's gonna go drop this off in the morning, but real quick, do me one favor, join the Modern Diesel family and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was pretty cool to see big truck in the oil field. But that is it for today. I'm getting ready to head to the house. Stay tuned for more videos coming this week. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!